Now, Aamir Khan's comments about rising intolerance in the country has set Twitter ablaze. Now, veteran actor Anupam Kher tweeted, and I quote, "Did you ask Kiran which country would she like to move out to? Did you tell her that this country has made you, Aamir Khan?" His other tweet read, and I quote again, "When did incredible India become intolerant India for you? Only in the last 7 to 8 months," unquote. Well, filmmaker Ashok Pandit has also hit out at Aamir Khan, saying that Aamir is a superstar, loved and celebrated across India. So where is the intolerance? His other tweet virtually challenges Aamir to declare on an open platform on what exactly is so intolerant about India that Aamir and Kiran Rao contemplated on leaving the country. Besides the two actor and BJP MP Paresh Rawal also took pot shots at Aamir Khan for his intolerance salvo. He tweeted saying a true patriot will never think of leaving the country. He also tweeted saying that Aamir's film PK rattled Hindus. The film was a major success and Aamir did not face the wrath of the Hindu majority.